Welcome to the channel again. Today I wanted to share on the channel the Holy Stone HS210, which is a mini tiny whoop type of drone. As you can see, it has ducted fans or ducted props, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what we have inside. Hold on one second. Alright. Remove the box. Okay, so first of all, we have here a bag containing the manual, I can see. Another inner bag inside that has extra replacement props, a prop tool remover, and a Phillips head screwdriver. In this bag, we have the manual, as you can see here. And you have also a card that's, about the cautions of the battery. So I suggest you read that, as these batteries are kind of delicate. And last but not least, we have, look at that. It's a USB charger. And you can connect two batteries here. So that's nice. I think the previous one to this version, which was the Night Elf, came with two chargers separately, but this time on this new version they added this cool charger which allows you to charge two batteries at the same time. So that's nice, and you can connect this to a DC plug and charge it that way. All right, so moving on, remove this top cover, and I'm gonna start here with the quad itself. So you can see it's really small. It's really nice looking. Has that racer type of look to it with some nice logos and decals on the top of it. It says Holy Stone, and on the side, I think it says Destroy. So as you can see here, it has 4 brushed motors and ducted propellers, as I said before, which serve not only for protecting the propellers itself, but also allows the quad to get a little bit of more boost and thrust. And this is a toy grade, hobby grade, so it's not like those regular tiny FPV whoops that many are used to with the cameras on them. This one doesn't have a camera, so it's basically a line of sight quad. So yeah, keep that in mind. And on the back, we have the battery bay where the battery goes inserted, and you have the connector port, which you can connect the battery directly to. So let me put this to the side. Now what I like about this, it has 3 batteries, and I believe each battery gives you 7 minutes, but I'd say probably 5 to 6. So I'm gonna take out the battery, show you guys real fast. So this is the battery itself. Now this is a 3.7 volt, 220 milliamp hour power battery. As you can see, here's the remote itself. It fits right in your hands, nice and snug. The joystick, the sticks itself stick out like real remote controllers that one is used to on the bigger quads. This one thing I wanted to point out is that if you see this, it's spring loaded. So what that means is that, this thing has altitude hold. So it has a miniature barometer inside of it, which allows it to stay at a certain altitude point and hold there, which works with air pressure and blah, blah, blah. Most of you already know that, but yeah, it has a miniature barometer. So it's an easy flyer for those who are beginning. You don't have to worry about, it drifting on you. It just rises up, stays at that fixed position, and you can just play and fly around with it. Here we have the flip button. This is your 3-speed mode button. Here is the ascend and descend button, or auto takeoff and auto land. And on this side we have the headless mode. So that's basically all you get here. On the back, it uses AAA batteries. As you can see here, you have to remove a screw, which I don't like. I usually just like to open it and close it easily, but a lot of these quads come like that. So yeah, it uses 3 AAA batteries, by the way. So that's that. I'll show you guys how to, how it flies. Let me move on. So here in the battery bay, I'm just going to show you guys how to connect it. So you put the battery here, like so. You just insert it. Well, make sure you insert it properly, the right way. Insert it like that, and then you want to make sure that this is connected the right way. So you don't want to put it the wrong way and then short circuit the quad, and the battery will, become damaged. So I don't recommend that. So immediately, as you see here, you see the lights blinking. So it's just, waiting for you to bind the controller to it. And as you can see, the red is the back and the green is the front. The 2 props also help you with orientation, so you can know that the front is where the blue props are at, and the black, signifies that it's the back of the quad. Now, before I let you guys go, I'm just going to show you how to bind it real fast. And with that, I'll call it a wrap, and then I'll show you guys how it flies. So what you want to do is you want to turn this on, which, by the way, has the on and off button. I didn't mention that on the bottom. So you turn that on, you hear that beep. Now you see it's still blinking. What you want to do now is to calibrate it, to bind it, sorry. You press up and down. And once you hear that last beep, you'll see that it's fully binded to the quad. Now, this quad, it says it has auto takeoff and auto landing button, but once you press it, the props are just gonna spin in standby mode until you give it, throttle for it to rise up. So I'm just gonna show you that real quick. And as you can see, and then it just turns off on its own. So it has a failsafe. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to show you guys how it flies, and then I'll call it a wrap. turn this off, turn this off. So anyway, for those of you just tuning into the channel, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please give it a like. And if you do want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing to the channel. And yeah, for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. And I'll check you guys out on the next one. All right, see you guys. Bye.